This is my absolute favorite breakfast. It's the quickest, easiest, and most delicious way to start your day. These pancakes are not only low in calories, but are packed with protein, and I didn't even use any protein powder. So hop in and let me show you how to make them. Let's start by adding 60 grams of oats into a food processor and blend them until you achieve the desired consistency. You can do this in a big batch and have it ready for the next time you want to make the pancakes. Grab a bowl that's large enough for this recipe and pour in the blended oats. Next, you'll need 100 grams of egg whites, which add about 11 grams of protein and can be easily found in a grocery store. But if you don't have egg whites on hand, simply grab 3 large eggs, separate them, and you should have about 100 grams of egg whites. This process is a little complicated, so use whichever technique is easier for you. Next, you need 100 grams of plain skyr or low-fat Greek yogurt. You can also use flavored yogurt, but the calories and protein may differ slightly. A pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for more added flavor. 5 grams of sugar should be enough to add some sweetness. Now, the key ingredient for our recipe: baking powder. This is gonna make our pancakes nice and fluffy. Mix everything together until you get a nice bubbly mixture like this. Get your pan ready by spraying it with some oil. Now let the pan heat up on medium-high heat, but before you do this, make sure you have all the ingredients ready, otherwise... Now that the pan is nice and hot, I like to take it off the heat so that the pancakes don't burn on the outside and stay undercooked on the inside. Form as many pancakes as your pan fits, cover with a lid and put it back on the stove. Now that the pancakes started bubbling up, it means it's time to flip. If you did everything right, your pancakes should be nice and golden brown like this. This recipe yields about 4 to 5 pancakes depending on how big you like them. I like my pancakes nice and big and with 30 grams of maple syrup on top. I added 10 grams of pumpkin seeds for some extra crunch. This entire plate comes to a total of 477 calories, 61 grams of carbs, 31 grams of protein, and only 6 grams of fat. I like to have these pancakes for breakfast or as a pre-workout meal because it provides all the nutrients I need